Today, let's take a look at one of the PCB manufacturing processes, the drilling process. Drilling is a crucial step in PCB manufacturing, mainly used to achieve electrical connections between layers of the circuit board and install plug-in components. Additionally, there are some non-electroplated holes for mechanical fixation or installation of the finished product. First, check whether the work card process, model, quantity, and board are consistent. Retrieve the drilling file and verify whether the parameters, such as the material number, process, tool diameter, and number of holes are consistent. Select the corresponding parameters based on the sheet material, copper thickness, and tool type. Then drill out positioning holes for it. The positioning holes are used to ensure the accurate alignment of the PCB during the production and testing processes. After the drilling is completed, the hole positions and diameters of the first sample need to be inspected to ensure there are no excess omissions or offsets. The X-ray machine confirms whether the coefficient needs to be adjusted for the first piece. Only after it is confirmed to be qualified can the subsequent processes be continued. Before drilling, the pad, base plate, and aluminum sheet should be placed in sequence from bottom to top on the work table of the high-speed drilling rig to facilitate precise processing. The pad is used to prevent the drill bit from damaging the surface of the working machine and to avoid burrs on the PCB board. Aluminum sheets prevent the drill bit from shifting and improve the drilling accuracy, while also avoiding burrs and scratches on the PCB board. After the final confirmation is correct, drilling begins. Mechanical drilling is the most commonly used method. Through the cutting of a high-speed rotating drill bit, various hole types such as PTH, MPTH, and through holes can be processed. We strictly control the feed speed and rotational speed of the drill bit to avoid problems such as broken drill, damage to the base plate, and the whole wall during drilling. Meanwhile, the system will automatically track the service life of each drill bit, replace them in a timely manner, and grind and reuse the old drill bits to ensure stable and reliable drilling quality. Thank you for watching. That's all for this episode of the drilling process. Stay tuned for the next production process. Copper immersion plate, electricity.